In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Facebook marketing. With the power of AI, we can elevate our marketing strategies and add a creative edge to our campaigns. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open your browser and navigate to Google. Once there, type ChatGPT into the search bar. After hitting enter, you should see a list of search results. Look for the official ChatGPT website and click on the link. This will take you directly to the ChatGPT platform where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll see a plus sign on your screen. Click on it. This is where you can add the images that ChatGPT will use to generate marketing content tailored to your needs. Next, click on the option that says Add Photos and Files. Here, you will want to select two different images. First, a reference ad image, perhaps something you've seen that resonates with the tone and style you want to emulate. The second image should be your product image. These will serve as the visual foundation for your ad creation. With your images uploaded, the next step involves typing a specific prompt into ChatGPT. For example, you might type something like, generate an image, copy the layout, text placement, and overall aesthetic of the reference ad. This instructs ChatGPT to closely align the new content with an effective and visually appealing ad you'd like to emulate. Once you've crafted your prompt, the final step in this part of the process is to click on Submit. This command tells ChatGPT to begin generating the desired content, blending the inspiration from your reference image with your unique product. Moving forward, let's focus on creating catchy captions for your Facebook posts. Return to the main search interface and click on the search bar. Here, you'll type another prompt. An example could be, give me a caption for this product to post on Facebook. This prompt requests ChatGPT to generate a caption that's engaging and suited to your audience. It's important to remember that catchy captions can significantly enhance the engagement and reach of your social media posts. Finally, click on Submit once more. This prompts ChatGPT to deliver a fresh, compelling caption for your Facebook post. Within moments, you should have a creative and catchy caption ready to accompany your product image on Facebook. And there you have it. A straightforward and efficient way to leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT for your Facebook marketing. By integrating AI-generated content, you can streamline your marketing process and ensure your campaigns are both innovative and effective. So, try it out and take your Facebook marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.